Being an actor is not everyone's cup of tea. Also, actors are constantly under the scanner for the variety of roles they portray on screen. A lot of actors and actresses get typecasted for portraying a certain type of role on their TV shows or in movies. The viewers are then unable to accept them in different roles they portray on screen and the experiments they do. Well, that's how it is, but the actors have now learned to deal with it and they simply go on taking up their choice of roles without thinking what viewers will say. One such actress is popular TV actress Akansha Singh. After making her small screen debut with shows like Na Bole Tum Na Maine Kuch Kaha and Gulmohar Grand, the actress took a break from TV to wait for better roles. The break proved lucky for her as she got a chance to work in some films down south and even got to make her Bollywood debut with Badrinath Ki Dulhania, which featured Bollywood stars Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt in the lead roles. Akansha is now gearing up for her next Bollywood film, Mayday, where she is portraying the role of Ajay Devgan's wife. The actress said in one of her interviews that we have recently wrapped up the shooting schedule in Hyderabad and we will soon start shooting in Mumbai. Unfortunately, I fractured my leg and I had to come to my hometown Jaipur to take some rest and also celebrate Makar Sankranti. Though she is now busy with her film shoot, offers from TV haven't stopped pouring in for Akansha. But the actress says that she wants to concentrate on doing films at present. Akansha quoted, I have been getting offers for various roles on TV shows as well, but for now my focus is on films. The reason I decided to take a break from TV shows was because I was getting similar roles. It is said that one gets typecast on TV and it is true. If you get popular after doing a show, you are offered similar roles and I didn't want to do that. I thought it was better to take a break and wait for some different script, but then films happened. I would always say that TV gave me the opportunity and platform, but it is difficult to get different types of roles. I didn't want to be typecast and therefore I thought of taking a break. Akansha, who feels that as compared to earlier, it is now easy for actors who begin their career from TV to find roles in films. The actress says, I think earlier it was difficult for TV actors to break their image of a popular TV show character as the audience would want to see them in the same space. But now, actors can experiment with different content and the audience appreciates that. So that opens up more opportunities and makes it slightly easier for actors to find different roles on different platforms. The actress lastly said, people also ask me if I would like to do reality shows and be a part of something like Bigg Boss. At present, I don't think I can stay locked in one house for months and be a part of such a show. But never say never. I might do other TV shows also in future. But for now, I want to stay focused on doing interesting roles in the films. What's your take on this? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.